សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា Hello everyone welcome back to my channel ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំលើកយកមេរៀនសន្ទនាភាសាអង់គ្លេសមកចែកម្លែកជាមួយអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាទៀតហើយកិច្ចសន្ទនារបស់យើងមានប្រយោគតាក់ទងទៅនឹងការទិញទូរទស្សន៍ការបង្កើតកងធនាគារនិងការជួលផ្ទះអញ្ចឹងយើងចូលមើលកិច្ចសន្ទនារបស់យើងទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយមុននឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមមើលមេរៀននេះសូមអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាកុំភ្លេចចុច like និង subscribe channel របស់ខ្ញុំផងដើម្បីទទួលបានមេរៀនផ្សេងៗទៀតអញ្ចឹងយើងចូលមេរៀនរបស់យើងតែម្ដង How may I help you How may I help you តើមានអ្វីខ្ញុំអាចជួយអ្នកបាន Hello I want to buy an LED TV Hello I want to buy an LED TV សួស្តីខ្ញុំចង់ទិញទូរទស្សន៍ LED មួយគ្រឿង Sir, could you please specify me the brand so that it will be easier for me to suggest you the best model available? Sir, could you please specify me the brand so that it will be easier for me to suggest you the best model available? តើលោកអាចប្រាប់បញ្ជាក់ខ្ញុំពីម៉ាកបានទេដូច្នេះខ្ញុំអាចនឹងងាយស្រួលក្នុងការណែនាំជូនលោកពីម៉ូដដែលល្អបំផុត Could you please suggest me some reliable TV brands? Could you please suggest me some reliable TV brands? តើអ្នកអាចប្រាប់ខ្ញុំពី model ទូរទស្សន៍ដែលគួរទុកចិត្តបានមួយចំនួនទេ Sony is a reliable brand in an electronic world. You will also get a 3-year warranty on the purchase of Sony products. Sony is a reliable brand in an electronic world. You will also get a 3-year warranty on the purchase of Sony products. ម៉ាក Sony គឺជាម៉ាកដែលគួរទុកចិត្តបានក្នុងពិភពអេឡិចត្រូនិកលោកនឹងទទួលបានការធានារយៈពេល3ឆ្នាំផងដែរពេលទិញផលិតផល Sony. What will be the price of Sony LED TV? What will be the price of Sony LED TV? តើទូរទស្សន៍ Sony LED តម្លៃប៉ុន្មាន Depends on the size of the TV. Depends on the size of the TV. វាអាស្រ័យលើទំហំទូរទស្សន៍ So when shall we deliver the product? So when shall we deliver the product? តើពួកខ្ញុំគួរដឹកជញ្ជូនទៅអ្នកពេលណា Before planning the delivery, could you please tell me the payment modes? Before planning delivery, could you please tell me the payment modes? មុននឹងដឹកជញ្ជូនតើអ្នកអាចប្រាប់ខ្ញុំពីវិធីបង់ប្រាក់បានទេ You can pay by card, cash or check. You can pay by card, cash or check. លោកអាចបង់ប្រាក់បានតាមកាតលុយសុទ្ធឬជាសាច់ Sure, I would like to pay by card. Sure, I would like to pay by card. ប្រកាសណាស់ខ្ញុំចង់បង់ប្រាក់តាមកាត Sure, sir. So will you be accepting the delivery today? Sure, sir. So will you be accepting the delivery today? ប្រកាសណាស់លោកអញ្ចឹងលោកទទួលការដឹកជញ្ជូនថ្ងៃនេះទេ Yes. Yes. បាទ Okay, sir. I will get your product ready. It will take approximately 15 minutes by the time I will get your warranty cards and bill ready. Okay, sir. I will get your product ready. It will take approximately 15 minutes. By that time, I will get your warranty card and bill ready. បាទលោកខ្ញុំនឹងរៀបចំផលិតផលលោកឲ្យរួចរាល់វាត្រូវការពេលប្រហែលជា15នាទីនៅពេលនោះខ្ញុំនឹងទទួលបានប័ណ្ណធានានិងវិក័យប័ត្ររបស់លោករួចរាល់ Sir, your product is ready for delivery. Sir, your product is ready for delivery. លោកផលិតផលរបស់លោករួចរាល់សម្រាប់ការដឹកជញ្ជូន Thank you so much. Thank you so much. អរគុណខ្លាំងណាស់ Welcome, sir. Have a nice day ahead. Welcome, sir. Have a nice day ahead. មិនអីទេលោកសូមឲ្យមានថ្ងៃល្អ Hi, I need to open an account in your bank. Could you please guide me through the entire process? Hi, I need to open an account in your bank. Could you please guide me through the entire process? សួស្តីខ្ញុំត្រូវការបើកគណនីធនាគារមួយតើអ្នកអាចណែនាំខ្ញុំអំពីដំណើរការទាំងមូលបានទេ Sure, sir. I guide you regarding the formality to be completed for opening an account. Sure, sir. I guide you regarding the formalities to be completed for opening an account. ប្រកាសណាស់លោកខ្ញុំណែនាំលោកអំពីបែបបទដែលត្រូវបំពេញសម្រាប់ការបើកគណនី Could you tell me what all details that are required for that? Could you tell me what all details that are required for that? តើអ្នកអាចប្រាប់ខ្ញុំអំពីសេចក្តីលម្អិតទាំងអស់ដែលត្រូវការបានទេ You need to fill 2A form and submit it at counter 5. You need to fill 2A form and submit it at counter 5. អ្នកត្រូវបំពេញទម្រង់ 2A ហើយបញ្ជូនទៅបញ្ជរលេខ5 You need to submit one soft copy of your address proof, your electricity bill, and your ID card. You need to submit one soft copy of your address proof, your electricity bill, and your ID card. អ្នកត្រូវចម្លងច្បាប់ទន់មួយនៃភស្តុតាងអាសយដ្ឋានរបស់អ្នកវិក័យប័ត្រអគ្គិសនីនិងអត្តសញ្ញាណប័ណ្ណរបស់អ្នក But the electricity bill of my house is on my father's name. But the electricity bill of my house is on my father's name. ប៉ុន្តែกระดาษភ្លើងផ្ទះខ្ញុំគឺជាឈ្មោះរបស់ឪពុកខ្ញុំ What all ID proof do I need to submit? What all ID proof do I need to submit? តើខ្ញុំត្រូវដាក់ឯកសារបញ្ជាក់អ្វីខ្លះ In that case, you can submit your license and previous bank detail. In that case, you can submit your license and previous bank details. ក្នុងករណីនេះអ្នកអាចដាក់ស្នើអាជ្ញាប័ណ្ណរបស់អ្នកនិងព័ត៌មានលម្អិតពីធនាគារមុន Yes, it will work. Yes, it will work. បាទវានឹងដំណើរការ And where I need to submit all my detail. And where I need to submit all my detail. ហើយតើខ្ញុំត្រូវបញ្ជូនព័ត៌មានលម្អិតរបស់ខ្ញុំនៅឯណា At the same counter, you need to attach all the details with the form. At the same counter, you need to attach all these details with the form. នៅបញ្ជរដូចគ្នាអ្នកត្រូវភ្ជាប់ព័ត៌មានលម្អិតទាំងនេះជាមួយនឹងទម្រង់បែបបទ How much cash do I need to deposit at the time of opening an account? How much cash do I need to deposit at the time of opening an account? តើខ្ញុំត្រូវដាក់ប្រាក់ប៉ុន្មាននៅពេលបើកគណនី You can deposit minimum $10. You can deposit minimum $10. អ្នកអាចដាក់ប្រាក់យ៉ាងតិច$10 Will I get the debit card and checkbook on the same date? Will I get the debit card and the checkbook on the same date? តើខ្ញុំនឹងទទួលបានប័ណ្ណឥណពន្ធនិងសៀវភៅមូលបទានបត្រនៅថ្ងៃដដែលឬ? Will my previous bank transaction statement work? Will my previous bank transaction statement work? តើរបាយការណ៍ប្រតិបត្តិការធនាគារពីមុនរបស់ខ្ញុំនឹងដំណើរការទេ? No, it will take a week and will be sent to address mentioned in the form. No, it will take a week and will be sent to the address mentioned in the form. ទេ វានឹងត្រូវចំណាយពេលមួយសប្តាហ៍ហើយនឹងត្រូវផ្ញើទៅកាន់អាសយដ្ឋានដែលបានរៀបរាប់ក្នុងបែបបទ ឬក៏អាសយដ្ឋានដែលបានបំពេញនៅក្នុងបែបបទ Hey, actually, I was looking for a flat on rent, so I found your number. Could you please let me know the detail regarding the same? Hey, actually, I was looking for a flat on rent, so I found your number. Could you please let me know the detail regarding the same? Hey, តាមពិតទៅខ្ញុំកំពុងស្វែងរកផ្ទះជួល ដូច្នេះខ្ញុំបានរកឃើញទូរស័ព្ទរបស់អ្នក តើអ្នកអាចប្រាប់ខ្ញុំពីព័ត៌មានលម្អិតបានទេ? Yes, sure. Could you tell me about your preferred location? Yeah, sure. Could you tell me about your preferred location? ប្រកបណាស់ តើអ្នកអាចប្រាប់ខ្ញុំពីទីតាំងដែលអ្នកពេញចិត្តបានទេ? I am looking for an accommodation in Sansok area, as my office is located in Kansansok, so I would prefer an apartment in close proximity. I am looking for an accommodation in Sansok area, as my office is located in Kansansok, so I would prefer an apartment in close proximity. ខ្ញុំកំពុងស្វែងរកកន្លែងស្នាក់នៅក្នុងតំបន់សានសុខ ដោយសារការិយាល័យរបស់ខ្ញុំមានទីតាំងនៅខណ្ឌសានសុខ ដូច្នេះខ្ញុំចង់បានផ្ទះល្វែងនៅជិត Okay, I have a flat. It's near Dara Hotel. Okay, I have a flat. It's near Dara Hotel. Okay, ខ្ញុំមានផ្ទះល្វែងមួយវានៅជិតសណ្ឋាគារ Dara Hotel. That's perfect. That's perfect. ល្អខ្លាំងណាស់ It's an apartment with modular kitchen. There is a balcony and attached washroom. It's an apartment with modular kitchen. There is a balcony and an attached washroom. វាជាផ្ទះល្វែងដែលមានផ្ទះបាយ module មានយ៉រនិងបន្ទប់ទឹកភ្ជាប់ជាមួយ What about water supply and electricity? What about water supplies and electricity? ចុះចំណែកទឹកភ្លើង It has 24/7 electricity backup and water supply. It has 24/7 electricity backup and water supply. វាមានការបម្រុងទុកអគ្គិសនីនិងការផ្គត់ផ្គង់ទឹក 24 ម៉ោងក្នុងមួយសប្តាហ៍ What about rent? What about rent? ចុះតម្លៃជួល It will cost you $250 per month plus $10 security. It will cost you $250 per month plus $10 security. តម្លៃមួយខែ $250 បូកនឹងថ្លៃសន្តិសុខ $10. The rent is exorbitantly high. Is the rent negotiable? The rent is exorbitantly high. Is the rent negotiable? ការជួលគឺថ្លៃខ្លាំងណាស់ តើតម្លៃជួលអាចចរចាបានទេ? That won't be possible on my part. That won't be possible on my part ខាងខ្ញុំមិនអាចទេ Actually I have recently shifted to Sansok and have take care a lot of things so I would be very grateful to you if could please negotiate the rent Actually I have recently shifted to Sansok and have to take care a lot of things so I would be very grateful to you if you could please negotiate the rent តាមពិតទៅថ្មីៗនេះខ្ញុំបានផ្លាស់ទៅសែនសុខហើយត្រូវមើលការខុសត្រូវជាច្រើនដូច្នេះខ្ញុំនឹងដឹងគុណអ្នកយ៉ាងខ្លាំងបើសិនបើអ្នកអាចចរចាតម្លៃជួលបាន I can make it up to $230 per month but not below that ខ្ញុំអាចឲ្យត្រឹម$250ក្នុងមួយខែប៉ុន្តែមិនអាចក្រោមនោះទេ Yes, that seemed to be fair. Thank you so much for consideration. So when can I come to see the flat and finalize everything? Yes, that seemed to be fair. Thank you so much for your consideration. So when can I come to see the flat and finalize everything? បាទវាហាក់ដូចជាសមរម្យសូមអរគុណច្រើនសម្រាប់ការពិចារណារបស់អ្នកដូច្នេះតើពេលណាខ្ញុំអាចមកមើលផ្ទះល្បីនឹងបញ្ចប់អ្វីគ្រប់យ៉ាង You can come today by 5 o'clock. You can come today by 5 o'clock. អ្នកអាចមកថ្ងៃនេះនៅម៉ោង5 Is it possible tomorrow? Is it possible tomorrow? ថ្ងៃស្អែកបានទេ Tomorrow at what time? Tomorrow at what time? ថ្ងៃស្អែកម៉ោងប៉ុន្មាន Tomorrow in the morning so that I can finalize everything and shift as well. Tomorrow in the morning so that I can finalize everything and shift as well. ព្រឹកស្អែកដូច្នេះខ្ញុំអាចបញ្ចប់អ្វីទាំងអស់ហើយផ្លាស់ប្ដូរផងដែរ Tomorrow at 11 o'clock then. Tomorrow at 11 o'clock then. អញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃស្អែកនឹងម៉ោង11 Yes, that would be fine. Yes, that would be fine. បាទវានឹងជាការល្អ